full stop. Can't believe I live in I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
You can go there.
Faster. Hello. I just made it the Smoky Mountain today. Okay, we are going to is Andy and Yuto. Ano pangalan? Yuto. They are also taking the vlog as well. Basically, this is the Smoky Mountain, which made from trash. So I'm gonna explain mamaya as well. That's the gate. Let's go now. So we just gonna walk, climb. I don't know if it's the way to go. Ulang! Ulang! It's raining! It's okay. Salamat. Thank you po.
What's your name?
Shotaro. Shotaro. Shota mo.
Shota ko.
Oo, Shota ko.
Ito Shota ko. Ako yung naka-vlog.
Ito Shota. Sino?
Where are you going?
Just strolling around. Pero we just got here. And then it's raining so hard. So cute, huh?
I'll be assessed.
Oh, you're so cute, no?
And if we can provide the things that...
Ay! Mabasa yung camera nyo.
Andy Yuto, what are you?
Take a picture.
Of course, simple.
With her.
With maganda.
Ay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Just met kind people and cute. Salamat. Thank you. It's already gone, na? Rain is gone. So I'm gonna climb this literally the mountain. We already separated. I don't know where they are. So basically this place, it's called Smoky Mountain. This is called the old Smoky Mountain. Everybody throw away the trash in here kasi wala place to throw away. That's why everybody throw away the trash in here. This is they're thirsty now. I don't know where to go. This way. So now soil, pero used to it's all trash, but they covered by soil.
Gambling Lord.
Gambling? Gambling right now? Gambling nang yung? It's like a poker?
Yes. Moshi-moshi, ah?
Ano?
Moshi-moshi.
Moshi-moshi?
Yeah.
Moshi-moshi.
Where from?
Japan.
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 You speak Tagalog?
Just a konti lang.
Just a little?
Just a little. You guys speak English, di ba?
No.
So,
Just a little.
you understand? Just a little?
Yeah.
Arab.
Hindi ko alam.
Language ko Bisaya. Bisaya.
Oh, you guys from Bisaya?
Maaram. Cheese.
Gihigo umati ka. Gihigo huma. Ah? Ano ba yan? Gihigo umati ka.
Ano ang Indian party? Good morning.
Ohayo.
Ayo.
Ohayo. Maayong buntag. Ako Bisaya. Bye-bye. So kind of people, di ba? Always. Actually, madami bahay. May madami bahay dito. So, hello. Good afternoon. People just building the house here dito. Just gonna go around, na? Oh, the chickens is walking around. Running around here. Hello. Can I come in? Salamat. I just go. Madami chicken. There's a goat. What? And then, what kind of bird is that? Huh? Duck? Is that a duck? Wow. Looks like a duck and chickens running around. Chicken. A fighting chicken.
Like sabong.
Oh. That makes me kinda sad. Sorry na. Good dog. Protecting the house. Oh.
Hello, this is my residence.
Residence. So you guys
Family, whole family.
are your whole family. Those are house. Are you guys cooking something?
Cooking something spaghetti with
Spaghetti?
hot dog. Yes. With beef.
Okay.
Pork pala pork.
So this is the kitchen.
Kitchen, yes.
Kitchen.
Yes.
And that house.
This is my house. 6 house, 7.
6 house. Can I just see a bit?
Yes.
This is the
Resident.
residence house. Backyard. Ah, sorry. Sorry. Shower.
Daughter. This is my granddaughter.
Granddaughter. This is the house.
My daughter.
Your daughter. Ah, sorry na.
Ayan na, Grace.
Sorry po.
Hello.
Hello. Cute. Look at that. This maganda. I mean, it's really huge. Thank you, ate. Still.
Kami, Vito.
Japan.
Japan? Japan sila.
Pupunta?
Ay,
Pupunta ka?
May pumunta rito, Japan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Salamat.
so much.
I just visited some house. They're really accommodating. Far na. Did you see my friend? Ah, there. Ano?
Oh, marami yung Tagalog ba?
Just konti.
Sandi.
Oo.
Japanese.
Japanese po.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Akala ko Korean.
Arigato. Akala mo Korean? Looks like Korean, diba? Wait, what is that? Is that a house?
Camping.
Huh?
Camping.
Camping? Are you guys camping? They're camping right now. Oh. See you. See you. 入れる? Bye. So I think this is the top point for the Smoky Mountain dito. As you can see the Manila Bay. Ano ba yan? That's the port, and those are also Manila area. It's crowded. I cannot see that much. Also may house there. Just go check a bit, no? Palagi, the people were so friendly. That's the main things in the Philippines. Ah, that's basketball court. Hello. Basketball tayo. Wait lang. I'll just hello. Ulan na. So I just go this way. I go forward a bit. Actually, there's a number on it. C45555. I think that's address. So I think you can still get the package here. So yeah, as you can see, the houses mostly wood, made by wood. That's the 53. Oh. Ano yun? Oh, that's TV? So you put money and then you watch.
5 pesos.
5 peso.
Yes.
How many minutes?
5 pesos.
40 minutes? Ah, okay. I'll give you na lang. Wait lang. Ano?
Ayun daw, hulog niyo daw.
Watch na lang. Sorry na. Oh.
Where you from?
Japan.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Shotaro. Are?
Yuri. Snack daw.
Snack daw? Come. How by all? Lahat. One, two. Piranha, piranha. One each.
Lahat tayo, Pilipino. Temple, yan.
Bigay ikaw vlog
Ay,
eh.
salamat. Yeah.
Sinigang nga kayo. Sinigang.
Oh.
Sinigang, something. Tastes like sinigang. Meat fish. Go. Micha. Ano? Wala na? Sarap? My mom. My dad. 21?
21.
13?
Ay, 14.
14? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Ako na lang.
Ikaw na lang.
Ampun mo ba ako?
Ha?
Yeah. Sama ako. Isa daughter, adopted.
Adopted?
Yeah. Go.
Go to Japan.
Yeah, go.
I mean, no boy.
No.
Ako na lang.
Sige na.
But how come all sister babae?
Because my father is gay. That's why.
Oh. So you guys living where's your house? Dito?
Yeah.
Dito. C451.
Oh.
Is that the address?
Yeah. Si sa cluster house
Number.
by cluster.
Okay.
Because 2 years, ano ba?
After
2 years, get demolished and go away.
Somewhere.
Yeah. But we don't have
They not gonna provide the house.
Come here, you look to my house.
So that's your 7 sisters.
Yeah, this is my room.
This is your room.
Yeah.
And then where's the sister sleeping?
Sisters here.
Sister is sleeping here.
Yeah.
Can I see?
Oh.
Okay, so sister living in here.
Yeah.
That's their room.
Yeah. Room.
This is your room.
Yeah. Mama is a medicine is a maintenance.
So this is the kitchen. So this is your room.
Ano? Ni?
Shotaro.
Shotaro. Please help me buy the medicine.
Oh, wait lang.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry. Patay.
Japan.
Huh?
Let's go Japan.
Let's go Japan. You too. You adopted. 13?
No, 15.
51. Yeah.
FF ka talaga. Maganda sa Japan? Ano?
Maraming
magpugapo doon.
Oh.
Let's go!
Let's go. Madami.
How many years you stay here in the Philippines?
2 years. Mind reading? How come? But still just konte. 7 sisters.
Yes.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
3.
5.
Another family?
Yeah, family.
Okay, another. Mas maganda. Everyone, lahat. Maganda.
Lahat maganda.
Oo.
Walang pangit. Wala.
Ha? Walang panggit. Walang panggit. Cousin.
Granddaughter.
Insan.
Granddaughter.
Young daughter, insan.
Cousin.
We are insans.
Singer? Maging ampunin mo ako.
Ha? Ikaw?
Panin mo ako.
Panin mo ako? Adopted.
Yes. Ayaw ba ako maging kapatid?
Huh?
Ayaw ba ako maging kapatid? Kapatid.
She say, do not like sister.
Okay lang.
Let's go. Daming bata.
Namin bata?
Ano?
Bata? What was the bata again?
Yeah. Yes, kids.
Kids?
Yes.
Ako? Japan? Wala. Thank you.
Oh.
Kailan babalik ako dito?
Yes.
August.
August? Malayo?
August 14. March. My birthday.
March.
March.
Bakit August 14?
Birthday.
Birthday. Dito?
Yes.
Kailan birthday mo?
Dala ka cake.
September. Anong pagkarang again?
Sweet.
Ha?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Matamis.
Matamis.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna type Matamis. Matamis birthday.
Yes. Sweet. Lalaka kita, sarap.
Lalaki. Ano?
Birthday ko June 4. Ay, June 18, di ba?
Sa Joy?
Kailan nga ulit birthday?
Lalaki na. Lalaki. I go forward more this way. Where's Sakuragi? This way?
Yes, this way.
This way? So I just follow faster. I think they made the street here.
Yes!
Ano yung?
Yay! Ganun tayo para umuso sa kanila.
Where are they? They are lost.
Tired!
Tired? No!
Pagod!
Hindi. Hindi pa.
Very good!
Mamaya. Mamaya pagod. Very good.
Okay, nasa pagod.
Ikaw nakatira dito.
Yes.
So you alam mo lahat. Dito na? Ay, ta. They're taking YouTube. Ano ba yan?
Mango. Ah, you know how to speak Tagalog?
Just konti lang.
Konti lang ako marunong mag-Tagalog.
Konti naman Tagalog.
僕の先輩も行きます。
いただきます。
How it tastes? Is it
Nada.
good or not? Bad?
I want kanin. Charot.
You want-
美味しい美味しい。Masarap.
Yeah, it's good.
Japanese usually eat with sweet matamis mango. Ba masarap?
It's rented. It's rent house.
Ah, rent house.
Yes, rent
Ah, meron
house.
TV and
But this area is going to be demolished. But
Yeah.
we need house. This property is private. That's why we not afford a house. But it's nice. You can go there.
Other place?
Yeah, it's nice. You can see the view.
Ah, okay. Sige, sige. Doko iku ne? Woo! Hindi.
Daddy, I'm so tired.
Daddy. Sis,
I want to see the Japan.
Japan?
Yes. Follow me. Hey, follow me.
Hey.
Follow you.
Fight.
Fight?
Yeah.
Oh. Peace.
Oh.
I want peace.
Make me faster.
Make it faster.
Hey.
Ha?
Tutok mo dito.
Totong.
Your son.
Yosa. Yosa.
Tutuan tayo.
Tutuan tayo?
Mamaya.
Mamaya. Where's your boyfriend? Ex.
There.
Where? Saan? There? Doon?
Bye. Teleport.
So cute ka. Oo.
I'm so tired of love. So many
Oo. Masaya.
Oh, ganda daw siya. So many trash.
Oo. Look at this.
Come on.
It's lahat. Trash.
Boyfriend ko.
Boyfriend mo?
Funny.
Sino?
Mga ngain yata to.
Chismis.
Ano?
Hmm.
Your ex, it's ano.
There. Where? Saan? Okay,
Ex-love.
let's go. Charot.
No!
Joke lang.
Yeah. Yes, ano.
Ano?
Oh, lalaki. Oh my God.
Tara na. Pogi. Hey!
Be careful.
Opo. Oh. It's kinda muddy. Hindi ko alam. Wow. Pag.
You want?
Yeah, gusto ko kain.
Kumain?
Oo, kumain. Sabi niya only
Yes,
morning, di ba?
Ano?
Happy lang.
Pag is ano, yummy.
Yummy. Have you eat?
Yes.
Have you eaten? Wow.
This is my favorite food.
Pag? Oh, we are back.
Yeah.
Thank you. Babalik.
Babalik ka. Kailan?
Babalik. Bukas. Charot. No, charot. I don't know. Di ko alam. August 14. Matami's birthday. April. Why? Summer. Oh, your birthday. Okay. じゃあね。バイバイ。
式だけ呼んで。
バイバイ。
じゃあ帰りましょうか俺ら。
Sister. No, daughter. Ako goddaughter.
Sana all.
Sana all.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind?
Hello.
Ate, hi kuya. Ano?
Do you pay to live here?
100K.
100,000.
Yes.
1 month.
No.
Just buy.
Yes, my.
Just bought. Okay. So you paid out lahat.
Yes.
So this is 100K, and then bought the unit already. Madaming tao.
Yes. More addict.
More addict?
Yes.
More addict?
Gusto mo turo kita isa?
Ha?
Wait lang, kumakain pa.
Kasama here?
Ha? Kasama here. Ano, nagtatagalan siya. Kasama here.
Wait lang! Wait lang! Pupunta dito! Yabat,暗すげえ暗いな。There's a stair. Sorry po. ちょっと待って。Kaya mo yang. Hello. Wait, check it.
Maganda naman.
Fish. Alibaba? Look. Jump here. Jump here. Wow. That's really good. What? That's amazing. Kalapate. Ano? Bird. What do you mean bird? Chinese. Ako Japanese. I don't know where to go. What? Bird. What are you doing? Bird. Oh my gosh. Bird. What? Kalapati. Agis. Palabas. Hey. Hey, yoko wakanai kedo. Sasuke no ano.待って。そっち怖っ。やばいだろ。No. ヒンデ。パタイ。Oh my gosh. What's up? Kalsada. Wow. Wait. Sobrang taas.
Parang sobrang taas.
Sobrang taas.
Angilong ka, ganyan ko.
Ano? Ano yun? Tachiburi?
Kilala mo si Buro ko.
Meg, this woman, jump there. Jump there. Geng.
What is bumpanis?
Bumpanis na kanin.
Ah? Ting?
Rotong ba naman, bro?
Rotong ba naman? Rotong. I don't understand. Bumpanis って何? Bumpanis って何? Oh my gosh. Jump! You go there? Okay, move! Panis!
Faster like that.
Hindi! Ay!
Do this. Where are you going now?
Just other side.
Oh,
Bye bye! Salamat! Thank you! Magkano? 50? 50 pesos. Hello. Hello. I made it. Jump.
Sobrang taas.
Can I see? Tomorrow.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace